Coronavirus panic sending global markets plunging, seeing the worst week since 2009.
And this situation with the virus is going to persist not only for Q1, it's going to persist into Q2. And more countries are now identifying what might be isolated cases, but nonetheless they are milestone first cases, which only increases fear.
Market shares crashing for a seventh day in a row, bringing the wipeout to $6 trillion. Analysts warning the global economy could tip into recession if the situation severely worsens.
Because the consumers start to get more concerned, all of a sudden restaurants become quieter, retailers and so on. So this is where the knock-on effect has the problem which could tip the global economy in that direction, but I don't see it quite now. If we meet again in a couple of months and the situation is this, then yes, we will see that.
Shares in the U.S. also tumbling for a seventh day, following a 4.4% nosedive in the S&P 500 on Thursday, the worst day for American shares since 2011. This follows dips in Asia and Europe as the spread of the coronavirus continues to concern investors. Economists have also forecasted global growth will slip to 2.4% this year, the slowest since the recession in 2009, and down from earlier expectations closer to 3%.
So really I see this as we need to see the situation play out. We need a cure and we need some sort of solution, and this will help the market tenfold.
Market watchers say disruptions to international travel and supply chains, school closures and cancellations of major events have shown negative signs in terms of the outlook of a world economy that's already struggling with the U.S.-China trade war. But whether or not we could see a recession anytime soon, analysts say the market will likely enter a bear market in terms of global equities.
But I will not rely on the central banks to jump in here. Again, the situation has to persist for a good couple of months yet. We've only seen 1 week now in Europe and 1 week in other countries too. It's too early to say, central bankers, you need to act now.
Experts say part of the problem is the uncertainty of where the outbreak goes from here and the health measures needed to contain it, including locking down cities and ordering workers and students to stay home. For City News, I'm Melissa Nakhavoly.